Hey, we're here again in 2018 with Pat Conley, the Chief Rocket Engineer. We missed you last year, Pat. Tell us what you've been up to in the year and a half you had off.
Well, I had to convalesce a little bit.
Okay.
The first year we had some technical difficulties. I was overall pleased with everything. Last year was a difficult year. I was homebound, so I spent that time researching, trying to figure out how to ignite a second stage,
right,
non-electrically.
Okay.
So
highly combustible, and will there be an explosion today?
I'm anticipating that there will be. This rocket here, the first one that we're going to launch, it's just to kind of check the atmospheric conditions. And then we're going to load her up for a special rocket. I call it the Trump Thump.
The Trump Thump will be in the air today.
It will, and if everything goes right. Yeah, we don't want to do this.
She calls me Goliath and I wear the David mask. I guess the stones are coming to face her now. You know I'd like to believe this.
You excited for today, Devin? Okay. Are you, Adam? Me too. Resurrect those bridges with ancient glance. But my old stone face can't seem to break her down. She remembers bridges, burns them to the ground. I have become conversation. Too white, too wrong, or too right. Today or tonight, cumbersome. Too rich or too poor, she's wanting me less and I'm wanting her more. The bitter taste is cumbersome. No, yeah, no, no, no. No, 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 yeah. There is a balance between two worlds, one with a narrow end across. Regardless of the balance, life has become cumbersome. Too heavy, too light, too black or too white, too wrong or too right. Day after night.
Oh no!
Too rich or too poor,
I like that,
the bitter taste is consumed. No, yeah, no,
So, anything could happen. All right. Ignition switch on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! We have a little problem with telemetry control.